Hey YouTube, we're going to cover this song Wolf Like Me by TV on the Radio. Mostly it's bass on the recording. I don't know about how they do it live. I saw some people said they're using a capo, but I don't know. So we're just going to play it as the chords as we hear them. That's a B minor. G. And the rhythm is kind of like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you want to, you can put the A chord in there as a passing note. So like B minor, A to G, D, and then A, B, then back to B minor. But basically it's just a big jam on G to D. Why do I say just G to D? Well, B minor is the relative minor of D. So really, and the song I think is in G, the key of G. Why do I say that? Well, because the melody can be played in E minor. That's what leads me to believe it's in G. And there is a bridge section, but that's just to slow down. Slow down version of the chords. There's another way you can play it. Like we know the chords are G and D and B. Well, we've got a G string, we got a D string, and we got a B string. So you could just be like, that's the B string. So you can do little riffs on the B and the G and the D. Just play around with those notes. Okay, that's my lesson on Wolf Like Me by TV on the Radio. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.